Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. This is the frugal tip of the week. Are you doing some DIY to save some money and trying to find your materials on the cheap like me? I recommend you have a little look at B&Q. I'm not affiliated to them anyway. They've got some spring offers on at the moment. I think it's till about April the 26th, and we've got a couple of weeks left. I'm not exactly sure. Don't quote me on that. I think one of the good offers is the 3 for 2 paint. So if you buy 3, you get 1 free. So I've been looking at this for a while, waiting for the 3 to 2 to come back up. So today, because it was payday, I decided to get some as well. So what did I get today? I bought some fast set grey tile adhesive because I'm doing my bathroom. So that way I can do the floor tiles, lay the floor tiles, and that's only £11.95. And I bought the 3 for 2 paints. I got quick dry satinwood paint because I can do all the paintwork in the house and it dries really quickly, and it leaves a lovely white finish and stays white, unlike gloss. That's why I prefer satinwood, because it stays white. And I got 2 pots of Dulux Easy Care, washable and tough, because I need it in our house with dogs and cats and my son running around. So I got a dark grey for my son's bedroom, so I'm going to do his room in dark grey, but the alcoves, the ceiling and one of the walls in white. I bought a big pot of white, a 5-litre tub last month to paint my bedroom, and above the dado rail in the hall, and bits of the living room, and mostly the living room. And I got this pale grey polished pebble paint to do underneath the dado rail in the hall and to do above the picture rail in the living room, so it's a contrast, because all the living room's going to be white, and then above the picture rail I'm going to have the pale grey and then the ceiling white. And I also bought a kitchen door. They've got offers on kitchen doors at the moment. I think if you buy 3 you get a big discount. I just needed 1 door, so there was no need for me to do that, but I got an oak coloured one because I've got an oak plate rack to go up in the kitchen, so I thought it's sort of matchy, and it's like got a cottage look, because I want a like sort of cottage core look in my kitchen. And the door was £97, and I was just waiting for offers to come up, and it's £30, so I saved £67 on that. So my total came to £97, but there also, if you spend over £60 you get free delivery, which is what I got. So I got a pot of paint for free, I got a discounted door, and I got some cheapy tile adhesive, so I'm really happy with what I bought. And to make it really good, B&Q are also having big offers and discounts on top cashback. So for example, the 3 for 2 paint, you get 6.8% back. Usually with B&Q you get about 1%, so that's a big uprise in price. So yeah, have a little good look at top cashback as well. Again, I'm not affiliated to them, so I'm really pleased. I got free delivery, free pot of paint, really reduced door, and I got my top cashback as well. Absolute bargain. So I'm a happy bunny. So let me know if you know of anywhere else that are doing great offers at the moment, or if you're doing DIY to save money too. Please like, share and subscribe, and bye for now.